Hello everybody and welcome to RefugeesHub. This is a website with information about services for Farsi-speaking refugees and newcomers in Berlin. We tried to gather loads of information that are helpful for different areas of life in Berlin, especially for Farsi-speaking people. On the website you can find different sections which I would like to introduce you shortly. You can access these sections in the menu or scrolling down on the main page. Services is the core of this website. We will talk about it more in detail later. In tips, you can find useful information for newcomers in Berlin, for example how to use public transportation or how to create an email account. In the news sections you will find relevant news for Farsi-speaking newcomers in Berlin. Same goes for events, where we post a selection of events that might be interesting for Farsi-speaking people, but are not accessible because of language barrier. The wiki contains definitions of terms and words, especially from bureaucratic processes that are important to understand for newcomers in Berlin. For example, the words of Aufenthaltsstatus, Aufenthaltstitel, and so on. The map contains the information from the services, which we will talk about later. In articles you can find relevant articles about the topics Berlin, migration, or the asylum seeking process, for instance. In the blog we write about changes in the website itself, for example new versions. In the section About Us we write about the project of the website. So let's have a closer look at the core of this website, which is services. There's different ways of accessing the information. You can just click on the map. For example, here we have the Bürgeramt Neukölln, and you'll get further information by clicking here. For getting a closer look, you can scroll in on the website, because there's loads of information that might be difficult to see. Another way for finding information is clicking on the different categories that we have, for example education, entertainment or housing. Let's choose for example healthcare. And then you will find all the services that are available in healthcare. A third way of finding information is searching. Let's try dentist, and now you have an overview of all the Farsi-speaking dentists in Berlin. You can find them on the map or scrolling down and having a look at the list. Okay, now let's have a closer look at one of the services. Let's choose healthcare again. So we click at Bijan Khalili, for example, which is a doctor in Neukölln. He's an internal medicine specialist. And if you click on the name again, we find some more information, like the opening hours of the office, the language spoken by the doctor and by the secretary. And you also can find which kind of insurances this office accepts, in this case public and private insurances. So now if you want to go to this doctor, you just click on directions and you will find an itinerary how to get there. If you want to change your departure location, just click on this icon and type for example the address, which doesn't work now, so I choose a different one. Alexanderplatz. Here you are. So, if you want to find other doctors of the same field, just click on the category, which is Internal Medicine Specialist, and the map will show you all the doctors over Berlin that are working in the same field. Once again, you can find them on the map or scrolling down to the list. This introduction to Refugees Hub was helpful for you to understand how to use this website, and we hope you can use it for yourself or for supporting Farsi-speaking people. If you have any suggestions how to make this website better, please contact us through the website or social media.